Motivated seller. If you love the history and charm of Old Northeast but prefer the modern conveniences, and fewer headaches, of a newer home, and for less, don't miss this price to sell 2017 built 4-bedroom plus office, 3-bathroom beauty nestled in an enchanting and very walkable part of St. Pete's very first historic district, historic Roser Park. This not to miss, fast appreciating neighborhood is located in the Innovation District and within easy walking distance to bustling downtown St. Petersburg. No H.O.A. no flood insurance required from the open floor plan and expansive kitchen to the large, fenced backyard with hot tub, outdoor shower, pergola, pavers, turf and detached 2-car garage with alley access. You will love everything about this home. Plank-style tile flooring guides you through the downstairs. Off the foyer is an office, or bonus space, a full bathroom, and a spacious bedroom with a walk-in closet. The kitchen is open to the living area and boasts a center island, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious pantry. Exit the kitchen through the double glass doors to access your fully fenced backyard oasis. Covered in low-maintenance patio pavers and turf, here is your perfect space for relaxing and entertaining. Indulge yourself in the hot tub, rinse the beach sand off your toes in your very own outdoor shower. St. Pete Beach is just a 15 to 20 minute drive away, or enjoy some shade and refreshments under the beautiful modern pergola. This serene setting ensures relaxation is always just steps away. Upstairs you'll find the master bedroom suite and luxurious ensuite bathroom with double sinks, garden tub, and large walk-in closet. The other 2 upstairs bedrooms are also enviably spacious. Looking for extra income or living space? Consider building an apartment above the detached garage. Everybody's doing it these days. Estimated income approximately $1,800 per month. This home is within a short drive to I-275, simplifying commutes to Tampa International Airport or wherever life takes you. Downtown St. Petersburg is an easy stroll away. Located mere minutes away, parks, grocery stores, shops, restaurants, hospitals, St. Jude's, Bayfront, St. Anthony's, museums, art galleries, waterfront, marina and the pier, and the USF Saint Petersburg campus. The Roser Park Historic District is St. Petersburg's first U.S. historic district and